Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Paris AI Summit, a gathering of world leaders and tech titans all wrestling with the same burning question. How do we harness the incredible power of AI while mitigating its very real risks? Are we on the verge of an AI revolution or a potential catastrophe? That's what we're unpacking today. Buckle up. This summit isn't just about AI itself, it's a butterfly effect. Decisions made in Paris will ripple outwards, impacting everything from our energy consumption to global geopolitics. We're talking about a fundamental reshaping of the world as we know it. Macron's bold €109 billion investment pledge is just the first domino to fall. Think of it like this. One decision today, millions of consequences tomorrow. Let's break it down. First, the direct domain, AI, the tech itself, and the policies governing it. Macron's massive investment is a clear signal. France is playing to win the AI race. This isn't just about bragging rights, it's about economic dominance. The summit is pushing hard for a global AI governance framework. We're talking ethical guidelines, safety standards, and responsible development. Will it be enough to keep pace with the rapid advancements? Only time will tell. And let's not forget sustainable AI. The energy demands of these models are staggering. This summit is pushing for eco-friendly AI, forcing innovation in energy-efficient algorithms and green data centers. It's a win-win, right? Well, it's more complex than that. We'll get into the risks later. The summit is a hotbed of both competition and collaboration. The US, China, and Europe are all vying for AI supremacy. But it's not all about rivalry. Initiatives like Current AI are trying to democratize access to AI resources. Imagine smaller developers, researchers, and even nonprofits getting their hands on cutting-edge AI tools. It's a leveling of the playing field, but will it be enough to counter the power of the tech giants? Now, let's look at the industries directly affected. The energy sector is under immense pressure to deliver more efficient solutions to power these AI behemoths. Manufacturing is being completely transformed by AI-powered automation. Think predictive maintenance, optimized supply chains. It's a revolution. And of course, research and development are exploding. We're seeing a surge in activity across computer science, robotics, and data science. The possibilities are endless, but so are the potential pitfalls. Cybersecurity is a huge concern. AI can be a powerful weapon for both offense and defense. The summit is likely addressing this, leading to AI-powered security solutions. But what about the job market? AI is creating new opportunities, sure, but it's also displacing workers. What happens to those whose jobs are automated? This is a question we need to answer now, not later. The biggest impacts are on the socio-economic level. AI has the potential to drive massive economic growth, but only if it's managed responsibly. Our education system needs a complete overhaul to prepare people for an AI-driven world. STEM skills, data literacy, and critical thinking are no longer optional. They're essential. And what about social equity? AI could widen existing inequalities if we're not careful. Fair access to AI, mitigating bias in algorithms, these are critical challenges. The AI race is reshaping the global geopolitical landscape. The nations that lead in AI will gain significant economic and strategic advantages. This is about more than just technology. It's about power. And what about public perception? People are scared of AI. This summit needs to address those fears, foster trust, and promote transparency. We need to understand that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. And finally, climate change. AI can help us mitigate climate change, but its unsustainable trajectory is a huge problem. We need to develop AI solutions that are actually good for the planet, not just for profits. Okay, let's talk about the risks. And there are plenty. First, the technological risks. AI development is resource and energy hungry. Macron's AI envoy explicitly stated this concern. This is a huge environmental problem. We're talking about increased carbon emissions, strain on energy grids, and the depletion of resources. This is unsustainable. Are we trading one problem for another? The technical challenges and the price of entry are becoming clearer. This could create a widening gap between those who can afford to develop AI and those who can't. And the emphasis on building massive data centers like the Stargate project raises concerns about the concentration of data and processing power. This creates vulnerabilities to cyber attacks and potential misuse of data. It's like putting all your eggs in one very vulnerable basket. The rapid pace of AI development is creating uncertainty. It's hard to predict the long-term consequences. And then there are the business risks. The global race to develop AI could lead to market bubbles and winner-takes-all dynamics. We could see a few dominant companies controlling key AI technologies and markets. This isn't a free market, it's a potential monopoly. AI has the potential to disrupt the economy, leading to job displacement and increased inequality. And the competition for AI dominance could exacerbate geopolitical tensions. We could see trade wars and technology restrictions. This is a dangerous game. Now, let's talk about the ethical risks. AI systems can perpetuate and amplify existing biases in data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. This is unacceptable. We need to ensure fairness and equity in AI development. It's not enough to just build the technology. We need to build it responsibly. The complexity of AI models can make it difficult to understand how they make decisions. This raises concerns about transparency and accountability. And AI-powered tools can be used to create realistic fake videos and audio, spreading misinformation and manipulating public opinion. This could undermine trust in institutions and destabilize democratic processes. We're heading into a post-truth world if we're not careful. Current AI founder Martin Tyne said it best. We've seen the harms of unchecked tech development and the transformative potential it holds when aligned with the public interest. This is the key. We need to ensure that AI is developed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. We need to align it with the public interest. So, what's the takeaway? The Paris AI Summit is a crucial step in addressing the challenges and opportunities of AI. It's a call to action for world leaders, tech companies, and researchers to work together to develop AI responsibly and ethically. The stakes are high. The future of humanity may depend on it. It's not just about the technology. It's about the future we want to create. But the question remains, is this summit just talk, or will it lead to real change? Will we see a global AI governance framework emerge? Will we be able to mitigate the risks and harness the power of AI for good? The answer is up to us. We need to stay informed, demand accountability, and advocate for a future where AI benefits everyone. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today's deep dive. If you found this informative, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech analysis, and share this video with your friends. The conversation about AI is just beginning, and your voice matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.